Here's our 2011 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. You can see someone installed a Viper car alarm here. Does have remote start added to it as well. Now this car is a salvage title due to this fender and that door being replaced. The door just honestly is probably repairable, but we just found it a lot easier just to replace the door. Front bumper cover was only damaged in just this little bit of a corner, so we replaced the front bumper cover, and then the hood was damaged along this edge right here, so the hood was replaced as well. We do have a front emblem on order, so by the time you come to see the vehicle, that front emblem will be installed. If you look carefully at the hood here, you can see there's a few little scratches. A lot of these scratches will actually buff off, but being black, it shows everything. These here just washed it, so they're streaks there. Here there's a little bit of a ding. This isn't scratched. This mark here will buff off, but there's a little dent there. Another couple little dents there. And one more here. Couple little chips here along the edge. Absolutely no airbags deployed. There was no frame damage whatsoever. No cooling damage. None of the cooling was replaced or touched. It was basically just this, oh, forgot, this is a used hood. So there is just a little bit of a mark there on the hood. Put my seatbelt on. I'll shut the vehicle off. Here you can see the car keys and the car alarm. I'll go ahead, I'll open up my door. You can see currently there's 48,349 miles on it. I'll go ahead and do a fresh start. You can see my hands here. Of course, my other one's holding the camera, so you can see I'm not going to clear anything whatsoever. We only got the cruise control light, which as soon as I press this button, that goes off, and then the other one's saying mile per hour. Of course, everything works. Radio works just fine. We got storage up here. Owner's manual in here. Pardon my mess in here, but traction control, of course, our eco button. Looking up top. I'll go for a little bit of a drive. This vehicle has been aligned. It doesn't need an alignment whatsoever. It actually didn't even need any adjustment in the alignment at all as a result of the accident, so that was good. Vehicle runs and drives great, no squeaks, rattles. You'd never even know it was in an accident. You say there's a couple light dings on the outside of it, but other than that, that's it. Of course, the AC does work. I've got the AC on right now. I know you can't tell that it's on, but The AC is blowing nice cold air. Go ahead and turn the cruise on. Let's see, we're doing highway speeds. We've got a nice flat stretch of road right here, and go ahead and let go of the steering wheel, not touching it whatsoever. You see we're still going down the center of the road. Actually, still not even touching it. We're still going down the center of the road. So it doesn't pull one way or the other. And even hitting the brakes, not touching the steering wheel, and you can see I slammed on the brakes pretty good. The steering wheel, you know, it didn't turn like that when you hit the brakes. Came to a direct stop, and we're still in the center of the road. It runs and drives great, though. Of course, heat, AC works, all the radio works, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. And we got CD player here. That about concludes our test drive. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email us. Thank you very much. Have a good day.